everyone and welcome. I'm Wafa Esbinouri, an engineer working on the Vision software. And through this tutorial series, I will be introducing you to Vision and its various features. To begin with, Vision is software designed for model extraction and system simulation. It allows the users to extract highly accurate behavioral models from either circuit simulation, electromagnetic simulation, or even measurements. And through its application system architects, it allows to cascade the different models and simulate the system as a whole, then visualize the effect of each component on each other or all of the system. In this video series, I will guide you through simple examples in order to help you use efficiently the software features.